Welcome to the restful farm. The stars are twinkling above, and it's time for our farm animal friends to rest. Let's count them together as they settle in for the night. Shall we start? Hello, Bunny. He spent his day hopping around the garden. And now it's time for him to sleep. Let's count him. One bunny. Can you say good night to the bunny? And wish him sweet dreams? Good night, bunny. Hello, turkeys. They've enjoyed their day pecking at the seeds, and now they're ready to rest. Let's count them. 1, 2. 2 turkeys. Can you say good night to the turkeys and wish them pleasant dreams? Good night, turkeys. Hello, geese. They've been splashing in the pond all day, and now it's time for them to snuggle up and sleep. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 geese. Can you say good night to the geese and wish them sweet dreams? Good night, geese. Hello, rabbits. They've spent the day nibbling on the fresh carrots, and now they need to rest. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rabbits. Can you say good night to the rabbits and wish them the sweetest of dreams? Good night, rabbits. Hello, alpacas. They've been watching the clouds float by, and now they're ready to rest. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 alpacas. Can you say good night to the alpacas and wish them peaceful dreams? Good night, alpacas. Hello, chickens. They've spent their day clucking and laying eggs, and now they're ready to close their eyes. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 chickens. Can you say good night to the chickens and wish them sweet dreams? Good night, chickens. Hello, sheepdogs. They've been herding the sheep all day, and now they're ready to find a cozy spot to sleep. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 sheepdogs. Can you say good night to the sheepdogs and wish them pleasant dreams? Good night, sheepdogs. Hello, goats. They've spent their day climbing and munching on leaves, and now they're ready to doze off. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 goats. Can you say good night to the goats and wish them sweet dreams? Good night, goats. Hello, ducks. They've spent their day waddling around the pond. Now they're ready for the land of dreams. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ducks. Can you say good night to the ducks and wish them peaceful dreams? Good night, ducks. Hello, pigs. After a day of playing in the mud, it's time for them to snuggle in and sleep. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pigs. Can you say good night to the piglets and wish them sweet dreams? Good night, pigs. What a wonderful job you've done together. We've counted all of our animal friends on the farm from 1 to 10. Each one now sleeps peacefully under the blanket of twinkling stars and the watchful eye of the gentle moon. You've filled their night with sweet dreams. Now it's your turn. As the night unfolds its calm, imagine you're in this cozy farm. Close your eyes tight. Glide into the night to the land of your own sweet dreams. Good night, little one. Good night, farm.